Hello, everyone, and welcome to edition 4 of our Let's Art demo day. Today, we're going to talk about engaging your audience and marketing your art. And next slide. I'm John Watson. I'm the head of marketing for Let's Art, and I'm joined by Sebastian. Sebastian will be doing the demo today to show you how Let's Art helps you engage your audience and market your art. So between us, we're going to handle this short session today. Next slide. So the agenda is very short. I'm just going to give a quick update on Let's Art, just reacquaint you with some of the principles of Let's Art and give you an update on where we are in terms of our progress. Sebastian's going to take you through the demo, which hopefully is the meat of today's session for you all. And then I'm just going to go quickly through on some next steps and other resources that you can refer to help you on your artistic journey. Next slide. So just just resetting everyone's understanding of Let's Art. Um, we're a software business that has been built by artists for artists. We recognize that the way in which art was traditionally shared and sold was broken. There was a lack of transparency for a lot of artists. There were a lot of middlemen in the process, and artists getting their art out to their audience was difficult and costly. So we built this software which empowers you as artists to take back a bit of control about your career, lets you build an online gallery and deal directly with collectors and build a direct relationship with those collectors, audience, followers, whatever you want to call it, and provide you with all the tools you need to easily manage the organization of your art, the sharing of your art, and the selling of your art. And that's available across any device. So you can do that and connect with artists on your laptop, on your tablet, or on your mobile phone. The key thing about Let's Art is software. We're giving you amazing tools which are free to use to build an online gallery and connect with your collectors. It's not a marketplace. So you are, on one hand, in control. You own everything that is built using Let's Art. And we don't step in on the other side to sort of bring buyers or collectors to your gallery. It's really a powerful way, a new way in which you can deal direct. So it's a different model to some of the marketplaces you may have seen, but we believe ultimately is better for the artist and better for yourself. Next slide. And it's proved very popular. We're over 800 artists now using Let's Art to build galleries. Between them, they've loaded over 3,000 artworks. And that's both the representation of physical art, but also NFTs, which are increasingly becoming popular as a way to share a creative vision through digital techniques. So it's a mix of digital and physical art that is uploaded, and in total, somewhere between 2,400 and 2,500 users on the platform. And feedback has been great from artists. It's really proving from those that are using it fully that it's really giving a lot of value, and we're getting some great quotes back from artists. And we hope through these videos will help you on your artistic journey and get more value out of Let's Art. Whether you're an established user as such, been using it for a while, or whether you're totally new to Let's Art, there's always things that we hope we can share that will make it easier for you to use the software to build your art career. Next slide. So we're going to go into a demo which is specifically about engaging your audience and marketing your art. So there are some features in our software which help you do that. But I just wanted to say before we talk about the specific things, the previous three videos that we've recorded are all part of what you need to do to build an online presence and build an amazing gallery. In edition one, we talked about setting up your profile and gallery on Let's Art. In edition two, we talked about uploading art and building collections. And in edition three, we talked about setting up electronic payments. All of those are important for you to build a gallery, an online presence that is engaging to your collectors, to your audience, to your followers. So please, if you haven't watched those already, please watch those because in their entirety, these four videos are really all about better marketing and selling your art. But today we're going to talk about some specific features which are really about how you make those connections, with your collectors, your audience, or your followers, whatever you may call them. So with that, I'm going to hand over Sebastian and get into the demo. Sebastian, over to you.
Great. Thank you so much, Sean. So we're going to start off by heading back to the gallery that we've been setting up over the last couple of demo days. Um, so whenever you rejoin LettsArt, it's always best to go straight to your existing gallery. And then remember that the first place to go whenever trying to do anything with your gallery is straight into the gallery dashboard. So today we're going to go into the gallery dashboard, and we're going to start off by looking at posts. So you want to click the Posts subtab in your dashboard. And here you can handle creating new posts, if you have existing posts, editing them, and doing a few bits and a couple, and I'll show you a couple tricks for really getting your posts out there to both your collectors and to future collectors. So create here a new post. So with every post, we offer you the chance to put a title to your post. So I'll use an example post. You can then write whatever post you might write about. Some things that we've suggested artists might consider using as a topic for their post could be the production process for a piece of art, your plans going forward, your new series that might be coming out. Any of these kind of examples could be useful. For this, we're just going to do an example post is about setting up posts. Finally, the last kind of content piece with your posts is you are able to upload a featured image. This could be any of your artwork. It could be a piece that you're particularly close to. And once you've put it in, you'll be able to edit it as well. So just uploaded it. You can replace it. You can apply a tint to it, or you can edit it. So you can edit it directly to say, I would rather have this portion of the artwork shown. I would rather rotate it. I would like to flip it. Or I'd like to actually crop it down to a smaller section and just have that one small piece there. There's also some fine-tuning features that will allow you to do things like change the saturation, as well as general filters that you can apply to change the appearance. All of these are done with our LettsArt tools, and you can use to make your featured image pop as much as you would like. Give that a moment to process. We now have our example post all set up. You can select whether you would like to allow comments on your post. If you would not, you just need to unselect it. You can also select if you want this post to be the top post on your gallery no matter what. If we select pin post, it will always be the top post of your gallery. If we unselect it, the most recent post, if you do not have a pinned post, will always be at the top of your gallery. So why don't we finally add a couple tags? So let's say example post and setting up. Finally, we can save our post. And now we can either exit and go there. We will then see it in the posts part of our dashboard. We can also see our posts now in our demo gallery under posts. And anyone who goes to your gallery will be able to see your posts there. If we head back to the dashboard and posts, we'll see there's a couple other options that we can use when we go back into it. So first of all, we can utilize a newsletter. So this is for users who might want to send their posts to their collectors directly to their emails. So the thing that we try to suggest is that you should always test your newsletter first. So this is because the post might end up being rendered in the email slightly differently than you would have expected having written it. So when you do a test newsletter, you might want choose to send a test to your own email address, to an email address of someone you trust, just to see how the post has come out in the email. So we could send this to demo gallery. Um, uh, let's group. Let's art. When we send it, we'll be able to see what it looks like in email. Alternatively, if you're happy with your newsletter, with your post, and you'd like to send it directly to all your collectors, it's a really simple process. You just click the send newsletter button at the bottom of the post, and the LettsArt system will automatically send it out to all of your collectors. So that is how you set up posts and how you can market your art with posts. Now, there's one other thing we wanted to go over very quickly, and that's external marketing for your gallery. So what you will do is go to your gallery profile, and you can see that you can set up your social links within your gallery. We give you a lot of options. We find that the most popular ones, especially with artists, is the Instagram link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you getting your Instagram link. So if you go to instagram.com and have your username, you can go straight to it. In that case, our username is LettsArt HQ on Instagram. And you can see there's our Instagram homepage. When you're on your Instagram homepage, you want to make sure that you grab the link from there. So you grab the link from there and copy it. Let me make sure I'm being very obvious that I've copied it. You can then go straight back to your LettsArt profile and paste it right in. That full address there is what we require. If you put just your @ sign or this part, we won't be able to link it properly. So make sure you've done the full link with your address at the end. Let's then save that as an example. We can test the link to see that it is going to the correct. And finally, we can go back here and go to our gallery. And you should see now, when users come here, they have a link to your Instagram. So that is at the bottom of your gallery and in your about page. Users will have an Instagram link, and that'll go straight to your Instagram. So this is a good way to link up all of your social medias with your LettsArt gallery. Obviously, you can market your LettsArt gallery in those social medias, but you can also make sure that people that go to your gallery are able to easily find your social medias and keep up with you there. All right. Thank you so much. I hope you have the best of luck with setting up your posts and getting your social medias linked. And I'll hand you back to John.
Thanks, Sebastian. That's great. And, some simple tips and guidance there to set up posts and newsletters and connect to your social media accounts. So hopefully that is helpful. If you just go to the next slide, Sebastian, please. Yeah, next one. So I just wanted, with that, just to remind you of all the other sources of information to help you with your journey. So first of all, when using LettsArt, you can always send us feedback. There is a feedback button on the bottom left of the dashboard section that Sebastian was just showing. You can click on there, and if there's anything you have questions, issues, or things that are missing from LettsArt, then you can click on there, and that goes directly back to our product team, and we review every single one that comes through. So your voice will be heard. You can also simply email us, hello@letsart.com. And again, the team will respond to you directly on that. So again, anything you want to better understand Let's Art, or any issues or anything you think is missing, please. We're always looking for feedback as we grow the Let's Art community. That said, we do have other ways in which you can educate yourself on how to do things in LettsArt. So first of all, there's a getting started page, which you can find through letsart.com. In the navigation at the top of the homepage, you can find the getting started page. And that really is another way to take you through the basics. So we lay out everything you need to get started, hence its name, with LettsArt. It's available online, and also you can download a PDF and print it off if that's your preferred way, and that'll take you through everything. A very simple to access guide. If you're looking for inspiration, again on letsart.com, we have featured art and featured gallery sections. Again, you can find it through the top navigation menus. And that's useful if you just want to see what other artists are doing. So we curate there just some interesting galleries that we're seeing from artists, and also some specific art which is shown there. And it's always good just to see inspiration about how people organize their collections, price their artwork, describe their artwork, and of course, notwithstanding creative inspiration as well. Sebastian teased it a little bit. We have an Instagram account, so please do follow us. LettsArt_HQ. We're always posting the latest and greatest there as well. And then there will be more of these demo days, so please stay tuned. Hopefully these are useful. Let us know in the feedback if there's other things you'd like to see in the series. But for now, from Sebastian and I, we want to say thank you very much and enjoy the rest of the day wherever you are. Thank you.
Thank you.